Jai Shri Gurudev. So my dear students, in last class we already discussed second PUC mathematics vectors chapters now. Okay. So we already introduced what is vector, what are scalars already. Okay. And also types of the vectors. Types of the vectors. Already discussed the two types of vectors. Okay. Zero vector, initial point and terminal point coincide means that type of vector is known as zero vector. Already told in last class. Okay. Otherwise, a vector is said to be a zero vector if its magnitude is zero. Okay. Zero magnitude that type of vector is known as zero vector. Unit vector very important for 1 mark question. Okay. These definitions are very important for the 1 mark question. Unit vector, a vector whose magnitude is 1. A vector whose magnitude is 1 is represented as a unit vector. This is very important. Unit vector can be represented as a cap and represent a cap is equals to a vector divided by magnitude of a vector. A vector divided by magnitude of a vector. Okay. So represent so further problems will come. These are related further problems, but later we can discuss. Okay. So let us complete the definitions. Next we move to the next co-initial vectors. What is co-initial vectors means? Two or more vectors having the same initial point are called co-initial vectors. So this word is co-initial, common initial point. Two or more vectors are said to be a co-initial vector having the same initial point. Same initial point means example let us take like this. So this is A and this is AB. Okay, AB. Next AC. This is AC. Okay, AC. So like this, AB, AC. So AB vector and AC vectors are called co-initial vectors. Co-initial vectors. Okay. So AB vector and AC vector are co-initial vectors. So here the initial point is same. A. Initial point same. Initial point, terminal point already told in previous video. Okay, my dear students. So therefore, co-initial vectors is also one of the important definitions. So two or more vectors is said to be co-initial vectors having the same initial point. Okay. Next we'll move to the next concept. So collinear vectors. Collinear vectors. Next. Okay. So what is collinear vectors? So what is the meaning of collinear vectors? Okay. Two or more vectors are said to be a collinear if they are parallel to the same line. Irrespective of magnitude and direction. Okay. So irrespective of magnitude and direction. So these are called the collinear vectors. Two or more vectors are said to be a collinear if they are parallel to the same line. Same line irrespective of magnitude direction. This is called the collinear vectors. So this is also next definition. Very important. Next equal vectors. Okay. Equal vectors. Same. What is equal vectors? Equal. So two or more vectors are said to be equal if its direction and magnitude are same. So therefore the vectors A vector and B vector are said to be equal. A vector and B vector are said to be equal. A vector and B vector are said to be equal if its direction and magnitude will be the same. So in A vector. So this A vector, A vector. Same direction, okay? Same direction, same magnitude, length same, direction same. So this is B vector. So therefore, we can write it as A vector is equals to B vector. If two vectors are equal, then we can write like this. A vector is equals to B vector. So A vector is equals to B vector. So now represent A vector is equals to B vector. Okay, now is equals to means equal vectors. In equal vectors, magnitude as well as direction to same magnitude to same. So this type of vectors is known as equal vectors. Two vectors, A vector and B vector, are said to be equal if they have the same magnitude and direction regarding of the position of the initial point and written as like this. A vector is to be already written. This is about the what is this? This is called equal vectors. Next we will move to the negative of a vector. This is very very important. Last year given. Okay, negative of a vector. Negative of a vector. Negative of a vector. Okay. Negative of a vector. So what is the negative vector? A vector whose magnitude in the same direction as that of a given vector, but direction is opposite to that of it, is called the negative of the given vector. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ so ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ opposite to the a vector okay so this type of vector is known as the negative vector of a vector anta negative vector b vector is called negative vector of a vector but here a vector and b vector of the same magnitude same irutte what is the difference opposite direction to a vector okay na so therefore these are called negative of a vector a vector so another time I will tell the definition a vector whose magnitude is the same as that of a given vector but direction is opposite to that of it is called the negative of a vector so therefore it is opposite with the direction so that's why you can call it as a negative vector okay see my dear students next see exercise 10.1 okay so types of vectors is over okay definitions are very very important for the 1 mark question okay next we move to the exercise 10.1 okay first question represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometers this is a magnitude 30 degrees east of direction okay we have to represent this by using graphically so how you can represent see so let us take like this okay east west okay direction represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ that's why okay so east west so above north this is the south okay so ಈಗ origin ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ so ಇರೋಯಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು 40 kilometers so therefore so ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 40 kilometers ಅಂತಾರೆ so 40 kilometers so 10 kilometers 10 20 30 40 okay na so arrow so this is called O here O this is P okay so 1 unit 1 kilometer 1 kilometer understand so therefore total what 4 kilometers and 30 degrees east of north so east of north so therefore like this east of north so therefore 30 degrees east of north so like that you can represent like this okay so this is the easiest method okay so therefore this is the graphical representation of this question 40 kilometers displacement 40 kilometers 30 degrees east of north so therefore scale 1 unit is equals to 1 unit so scale scale 1 unit is equals to 1 kilometer okay na scale baritivalla okay graph so 1 unit is equals to 1 kilometer so total sorry 1 unit is equals to 10 kilometers 10 kilometers 40 kilometers question na see 4 or 40 kilometers once again 40 kilometers 1 unit is equals to what 10 kilometers 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 what 40 kilometers okay na very easy now so like that we have to represent okay another I will give one homework for you see my dear students see this is example 1 homework okay example 1 represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometers same but 30 degrees west of south west of south. So example 1 is given. Okay, you do this one homework. So page number 427 ನೋಡಿದೆ. So observe ಮಾಡಿ. Same ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So west of south ಅಂದ್ರೆ west of south ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. So in your textbooks is clearly given. Okay, so this is a homework for you. I have to do the homework. Next we move to the next problem. See next question number 2. See question number 2. Classify the following measures of the scalars and vectors. Okay, so some measures are given. You have to identify whether they are scalars or vectors. Okay, first one 10 kg, only magnitude given now, so that's why it is a scalar. Okay, so 2 meters northwest, direction also given, 2 meters magnitude, so therefore it is a vector. Okay, vector. Next 40 degrees, only magnitude, so therefore it is a scalar. Okay, scalar. Next 40 watts. Okay, this is also scalar. Coulombs, 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, so this is also scalar. Okay, so 20 meter per second square. Okay, it is a vector. So acceleration of second square, so therefore acceleration is also vector. Okay, so vector. Next example 2, one problem is there. I will write in this one only. See, so this is example 2. So same question. Classify the following measures and scalars or vectors. Example 2 in page number alternate one now. Same page number 428 only. So it is there. So I have to do the homework. Same. Okay, observe ಮಾಡಿ. So physics ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ physics ಒಳಗೆ. You can easily write. So 5 seconds, 1000 centimeter cube, and 10 newtons, 30 kilometer per hour, 10 grams per centimeter cube, 20 meter per second towards north. Okay, you have to identify. So which one is scalar, which one is vector? Okay, you have to identify. So this is a homework for you. So my dear students, do it a homework. Okay, homework ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ. So example 2. Okay, example 1 also homework, example 2 is also homework. Example 2 is also homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can see in example 2 in your test books. Okay, so ನಿಮಗೆ easy ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Next we will move to the next problem. See my dear students, next question number 3. See, classify the following as a scalar and vector. Okay, so I have to classify which is scalar, which is vector. Okay na. Question number 1, time period. Time period is a scalar. So distance, you already physics will kaltirtire. Distance is also a scalar. Displacement is vector. Distance, displacement, very. Okay, distance is a scalar, displacement is a vector. Okay, force, vector. Okay, so therefore distance is also a scalar, force is a vector, it is a well known. Okay, velocity, acceleration, these are things are vectors, vector. Okay, work done is a scalar. Okay, so these are the things I had to know. So I think you already learned in your physics first year physics kaltirtira, very easy these things. Okay, next I will move to the question number 4. See my dear students, see question number 4 in the exercise 10.1. see in figure 10.6, this is the figure 10.6, square, this is square, no, square, so all sides are equal, so therefore square. Identify the following vectors. Identify the following vectors. So different vectors given, we have to give identify the following vectors. See, so first one, co-initial vectors. Co-initial means same common point. A vector and D vector. So A vector and D vector. A vector and D vector are co-initial vectors. Okay na, A and D. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, B ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ A D ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. So A D. Next equal vectors same direction, same length ಇರಬೇಕು, same magnitude. So square ನೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, direction same ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So ಇದು different direction ಇದೆ. So this is not possible. Same direction. So BD. So B comma D. So B vector comma D vector. So two values same direction. Okay, collinear but not equal. Collinear, parallel vectors ಆಗಬೇಕು. Parallel vectors. So not equal ಆಗಿದೆ. Not equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. So therefore A vector, C vector. Direction is like this, this direction is like this. So A vector and C vector. So therefore answer is A vector comma C. Okay na. So like that we have to divide 1, 2, 3. 1 2 3 ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5. See my dear students, next, okay, see question number 5, exercise 10.1. So answer the following as true or false. So true or false we have to identify. Okay, you know all the concepts of vectors already explained. So with the help of that concepts, have to decide. See first question, have to tell true or false. A vector minus A vector are collinear. Okay, collinear vectors no direction different irbodu. So A vector same magnitude. So therefore it is true. So different same magnitude is collinear. Okay. So therefore it is true. Collinear vectors are always collinear vectors. So negative vectors ಏನಂತೆ collinear vectors ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So A minus A vector is a negative of A vector no. So negative vectors are collinear vectors. Don't worry. Okay, that is always true. Next we move to the next scene. Second question. Two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. Two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. Okay na? So collinear vectors are always anta baro avashyakate illa. Sometimes it may be equal illidre kuda collinear agutte. Artha aita? So therefore two collinear vectors are always agalla. Sometimes it may be. So therefore it is false. Okay, so it is false. Collinear vectors. See, AB vector and AC vector are collinear vectors. It is parallel to the same line. Nodidira, parallel to the same line anta already helidira. So nodi, AB magnitude AC magnitude equal illa ile. Ille nodidira always nodidira. So that's why it is false. Artha aita? So sometimes equal idre kuda agutte ee collinear. Sometimes not possible also. But always nodidira alva, so it is false. Okay na? Next, two vectors having the same magnitude are collinear. Two vectors having the same magnitude, okay, are collinear. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ two vectors having the same magnitude ಎಲ್ಲ collinear ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ so why because see here this is A, this is B, okay na? B arrow mark like this. Next ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಕೂಡ. So ಇದು B CD ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Okay na? So ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇದೆ, approximately same ಇದೆ. Okay na? Same magnitude. But these are collinear vectors? Not. Okay. So two vectors having the same magnitude are collinear ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Parallel to the same line ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? So this is also false. Okay na? Oh, next. Last one. Two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal. Two collinear vectors ತಗೊಂಡನ having the same magnitude ಇದ್ದು equal ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. Two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal vectors ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದು? ನೋಡಿ, two magnitudes collinear vectors ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So once again I will tell example for that one. Okay, see, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ AB ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು AB. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು AB, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ BC. So direction AB direction is like this direction is like this. So these are parallel to the same line, parallel to the same. So therefore AB vector and BC vector are collinear vector. Okay, so two collinear vectors having the same magnitude. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ distance ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ distance same ಇದೆ, approximate same distance. But these two are equal vectors? No. Why? Because direction same irbeku, magnitude same irbeku. Magnitude is same, but direction is opposite. Ee side ide, ee side ide, opposite irbodu. So therefore this is also false. Okay na? So these are some difficult concepts. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 or 2 times ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ somewhat difficult concepts. 2, 3, 4 are some difficult. Okay, examples already given. Write down side ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, my dear students, like that you have to simplify the questions. Question number 5. Okay, next I will give one last homework for. See my dear students, so this is example 3. I had to do the homework. So ಈ problem homework ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, same related, already told one question. No, square same ಅದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Example 3 in your textbook is there. If you have any doubt means you can see that one. 428 page number 428 ಒಳಗಿದೆ. Okay, what is that? See once again in figure 10.5 this figure. Okay, which of the vectors are collinear? You have to identify the collinear and equal vector and co-initial vectors. Okay na, identify and do the homework. Okay, next we'll move to the next concept. See, so my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means you can ask through WhatsApp, otherwise comment below this video. Okay, thank you my dear students.